Throughout the turbulent history of life on Earth, there have been 5 major mass extinctions. These are events during which large numbers of species die out in a relatively short period of time.
We have 5 major mass extinctions. They're called the 5 big ones. And over between 66 and about 400 million years ago.
Scientists have linked 3 of the 5 major mass extinctions to long and protracted periods of intense volcanism. In these cases, volcanic eruptions release huge amounts of gases, including CO2, into the atmosphere, causing the Earth to warm, among other negative effects. Recent work by Princeton paleontologist Gerda Keller, however, has found evidence that a 4th extinction event, the one that wiped out these guys, may also have been caused by volcanism that directly led to intense global warming. Yes, global warming may have played a role in killing the dinosaurs.
What would you say if I told you that dinosaurs died from climate change?
I would probably say that you're lying. I wouldn't believe you.
Oh, really?
Huh, that sounds like an interesting theory.
What?
That's pretty surprising if it's true.
Probably believe it.
Historically, scientists believe that an asteroid impact in Chicxulub, Mexico, spurred the extinction of the dinosaurs, but Professor Keller believes otherwise.
I think we all know that the common wisdom is that Chicxulub killed the dinosaurs, and it's the sole cause for the mass extinction. Wrong.
Keller's controversial research points to gases spewed from a chain of volcanoes on India's Deccan Plateau that erupted around the time the dinosaurs disappeared. Keller believes that global warming caused by the release of gases from this volcanism was the cause of the extinction. But whether or not it was 3 or 4 mass extinctions that were caused by warming, it is clear that too much CO2 in the atmosphere in the past has led to catastrophe for almost all life on Earth, which is definitely bad news for us. Since 1750, we have released 2,000 gigatons of CO2 into the atmosphere. In comparison, the Deccan volcanoes are estimated to have released around 28,000 gigatons of CO2. 2,000 by us versus 28,000 by the Deccan volcanoes. That's roughly 14 times more CO2 into the atmosphere than what we have produced. However, Deccan volcanism lasted for more than 200,000 years, while we've only been at it for 250 years. This means that we are releasing CO2 into the atmosphere 70 times faster than the Deccan volcanoes would have 65 million years ago.
I think there is not much of a question that we are in the 6th mass extinction. For critters that need calcium carbonate for living, it's already today, it's too acidic to produce the shells. And the interesting thing is that before the mass extinction at the end of the Cretaceous, we see exactly the same. Species dwarfing, trying to adapt, thin their shells, and disappear in very low abundances.
The difference between us and the dinosaurs is that we cannot blame our problems on volcanic eruptions. This time, we are our own volcano, and we have the power to reduce our own emissions. We need to control the course of the current mass extinction we are experiencing today. The fate of the dinosaurs does not need to be our fate.